can always save your PowerPoint presentation as PDF. To do that, you will have to go to your presentation. You click on File, and in File you will look for Save As. And here you can always click Browse to see the location where you want to save your presentation. And we will make sure to enter the correct file name, and Save As Type. We'll click on it and we'll look for PDF. Once located, you select it. You can always change the author name, the tags, and the title. And the next we'll select the option between standard saving for publishing online and printing, or minimum size for publishing online. And here we're gonna select or deselect open file after publishing or after saving. We're going to click Save. We'll have to wait a few seconds. Our presentation has been saved. Now we can go to the location where we decided to save the PDF, and here we have our PDF file of our presentation ready.